a while to process, but I'm going to show you a nifty little trick. Run the parsley through the strainer. Lemon juice. Mine is not fresh, but you can use fresh. I didn't have any lemons. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I use extra virgin. You can use any type of oil you want. Spread it on there. And make sure you use a tablespoon and not a teaspoon. I've done that in many recipes. And then they say 1/4 teaspoon salt and pepper, but again, you're cooking, so cook at your leisure. And there you have it, guys. Let's give it a good spin. And all of those many minutes of hard prep and work have come together. This beautiful Mediterranean dish. Now, if you've enjoyed this and you would like to eat tabbouleh with me and the team in the Holy Land, we are open for registration. April 14th through the 24th, they will have many wonderful Mediterranean dishes. In fact, one of the best things I hear back from the teams is the food was delicious. Well, thanks for joining me on this month's version of Cook with Erica. I will be releasing next month a Mexican dish, which is one of my favorite things to make because we have several trips to Mexico scheduled, and as you know, we've been going a long time. So if you think about it, say a prayer for the Holy Nation, search your heart, see if it's your time to go with us to the Holy Nation, and sign up at cothmissions.us. That's our website. We'd love to see you on a team in 2021. Until next time.